damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
Oh, how cool.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Calhoun County in central South Carolina, Clarendon County in central South Carolina, central Sumter County in central South Carolina, east central Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, until 6 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Woods Bay State Park to near Santee Cooper Regional Airport to near Manning to near Ellery, moving east at 75 miles per hour.
75.
Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This line of storms has a history of producing significant wind damage. Locations impacted include Manning, Brookdale, Somerton, Ellery, Alcoa, Santee State Park, Santee Cooper Regional Airport, Santee, Turville, Pinewood, Cameron, Utoville, Paxville, Vance, Poplar Creek Landing, Rimini, Stumphole Landing, Brogdon, Utah Springs, and Blount's Landing. This includes the following highways: Interstate 26 between mile markers 146 and 150. Interstate 95 between mile markers 93 and 138. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. for southwestern Clarendon County.